Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to upscale any image with Pixelcut.ai. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to upscale an image with Pixelcut.ai. You are going to just come down over here from their homepage and you will see edits. We'll see a couple different options. Of course, we're looking for upscale. We are going to quite simply upload an image. Alright, so once you have uploaded an image, you will get redirected to this page over here. You can see I've got my image on the right hand side. You'll see the upscaler. We have different models. So depending on what exactly it is that you want out of the upscale, go ahead, choose the preferred model. You can also choose to upscale it by 2, 4, or 6. And then you can come down over here, the enhanced model. We've got also a couple options. Go ahead, choose your preferred model, and then the subject detection. Make sure that if, for example, it is something like this, we want to upscale everything. So we can say all, and then the face enhancement, right? If you want to preserve a face, I would say it is best suited for an image that is a little bit closer in on the face. You can just turn that on. When you're done, you can go ahead, click on upscale, and this will now be upscaled.